Hey YouTube, it is ChessieFan3802 here, and today we're starting our first review of the channel. And this is the review of the MTH HO scale GP38-2s with Proto 3.0 sound. As you can see, I have two beautiful models of not both of them, but anyways, the same locomotive, but painted in two different schemes. First here we have the Chessie scheme, or B&O if you really want to be pinpoint accurate. And then we also have the Maryland Midland scheme. And if you don't know Maryland Midland, it is a short line railroad that runs in Union Bridge and runs through many small towns in Maryland and even a little bit in or Pennsylvania, if you guys don't know what that is. And also the railroad that is pretty local. And I take videos of this railroad often. So very nice model. So let me show you the boxes and we'll be right back. Here are the boxes the locomotives comes in. I know it's I don't got a lot of camera space to show you, but let me take one example here. This is the Maryland Midland box. So as you can see on the side of the end, it says, of course, the Maryland Midland. And then on the other side, it has the Maryland Midland logo as well with Proto 3.0 sound equipped with it, which is very nice. And, of course, MTH electric trains that do more on both sides of the box. So now let's actually take a look at one of these locomotives. So we're going to actually do the Chessie locomotive first, show you some of the features here. Alright, taking a look at the Chessie locomotive, the nose of the locomotive is really great. It is not like Broadway Limited style, but if you're getting started in the DCC and sound hobby, this is definitely what you're looking for. And this is actually the first DCC and sound locomotive I ever bought. So looking close up at the nose, there is some really great detail in it. Absolutely, just great detail, including the brake hoses on the front, the main brake cable has a metal coupler. I actually applied that myself. We have the front stair ladders and the doors with cab figures installed too, which is such a nice feature. They are really nice, and of course the front. And this is number 4817 of the B&O. These marker lights here would light up green. I said red. I don't know why. It would light up green on if this thing was on. Looking at the top of the locomotive, excellent detailing on the top, including of course the exhaust panels. I believe this is the radio-equipped cab, and then the horn, and then your ventilation fans, also your coolers. Truck detail on the locomotive is very nicely done with blue trucks, and of course, pickup on all four wheels of the locomotive. Here is your speaker on the bottom here. I don't know what that screw is doing there. I have no idea. What screw is that? It's interesting. Fix that later. Anyways, the bottom of the locomotive looks really good, with great detailing. And, of course, the Chessie logo, the famous Chessie logo, and the back. Taking a look at the Maryland Midland version, it's really the same locomotive all over, except this one I actually attached a snowplow for. This one is a lot more vibrant, I think, than the Chessie. It's very appealing, and unfortunately, it's a short line. Now, on the real ones, Maryland Midland had GP38-2s, but they also had -3s. So as here, it says GP38-AC, or AC. So technically, yes, they are, but on the real railroad, a locomotive like this would say GP38-3AC, which is the only thing that I really don't understand, because that adds detail, but I think they're just trying to stick with the GP38-2 kind of thing, you know, same thing. So, yeah, that's the engines. So, that pretty much does it for the review on the MTH HO scale GP38-2s with Proto 3.0 sound. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Thank you, and comment, subscribe, and like to see more reviews like this. Thank you. Goodbye.